Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, scroll down Control Center from the top right corner of your iPhone like this. Now once you are here, if you tap on the option of flashlight and your flashlight is not working, just long tap on flashlight option. Now, the flashlight's brightness option level will appear on your screen. Now, if you tap on each and every level, your flashlight's brightness will increase accordingly. Now, in some instances, you may be around an area where your surroundings brightness is too high and your flashlight's level is too low. So in that case, slide your flashlight's brightness level to the top. By doing so, your flashlight's brightness level will be at the top, which means that your flashlight will be providing you with enough brightness. Now, let me show you another step by which you can solve your issue. So now, just go back to your main home page and simply open the settings option on your mobile device. Now, once you are here, simply tap on the option of General. Now, simply go to Software Update. Now, once you are here, if you see the option of Update, make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version. Now, let's go back and tap on the option of iPhone Storage. Now, once you are here, make sure that you have sufficient storage on your phone. If not, you may have to uninstall some of the application in order to create enough storage on your device. Now, the last step that you can do is, if you have your Assistive Touch option turned on, then you can simply tap on your Assistive Touch, then tap on Device, then tap on More. Now you'll see the option of Restart. If you tap on that option, your iPhone will shut down and it automatically will be restarted again. Or you can simply shut down your phone by long pressing on your volume up button and power button at once, and then switch off your phone and then turn it on again after some time. So by following these steps, you'll be able to fix your flashlight not working on your iPhone. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.